Hello viewers, this is Cecilia of the Quiet Corner. This evening we are going to do something a little different. I am going to decorate my dining room, showing you how to use things that cost absolutely nothing, or removing things from other rooms and bringing it into the dining room so that it can make a difference if you want to change up. This evening assisting me is my granddaughter.
Hello, I'm Emina. I'm the fifth of 8 granddaughters.
Okay, she will be helping me with the decorations, okay? I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we are. These are old curtains that I got at the Salvation Army and tablecloths that I got. So we are going with earth colors and gold. These are little gifts that my son-in-law brought for me from North Africa, and so we are going to incorporate these things into the decoration along with some plates and saucers. Okay, Emina, could you take these away? Okay, here I am. We are going with the earth colors. So this also is, I bought this at the Salvation Army for maybe 90 cents or something like that. And or we can use this one. I bought this there. So I look for these colors. I just love these colors. So you can use that or you can use this color. So I chose this one. Okay. Here, Emina. Now we are going to decorate the table. Emina, can you help me here? Okay, here we are. The tablecloth, it's very long. Alright, we're going to make one fold exactly in the middle. Bring it to the middle. And then we are going to turn the tablecloth. Pull. And let it drop. It's going to be long on the chair, so we can tie a knot on the end there. And okay. So here we are. We are going to put the decorations in the middle. Emina, could you give me the... I also picked this up and I wanted to really spray it in gold, the gold color, but I just love how it looks old, and to me it's really nice to put in the middle of the table along with some candles. I had these a long time and I'm just sort of matching them up. And Emina is going to maybe light them in a while. Okay. 2 broke, so I'm just putting these here. Okay. Okay. Hold it. Remember that I told you that I go and buy second-hand things and it's very cheap, reasonable in price. The plates may be beautiful, but the cups, you have to be careful with the cups because we bought 6 cups and the handles came off. So imagine that you are holding a hot cup of tea or coffee and the handle comes off, you're going to get burned. So be careful. Don't buy the things that are too old, even though they are beautiful. But this is really, really beautiful. Okay, so here we are going to substitute and we're going to use these instead. So my grandbaby is gonna, thank you. So we are going to put these here. Just for little decorations. We're not going to use the knives and forks and stuff. We're just going to put those there for a little decoration. Okay? So now in the corner here, I bought this table for $15. So I bought 4 of them for end tables so I can throw them in the corners of the house. So this is $15 and I have 2 old lamps. I put one there and now I am going to decorate the corner. So Emina is going to give me, as you see, we already put the lights and the little candles and stuff. She's going to give me that. don't know how it's going to look here, if I should put the lamp in the front of it or in the back of it. But I think the taller one should go to in the corner. But I just want to put a lamp to give some light to the plant, the decoration itself. So you can see how this looks in here. These are some old flowers that I have maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, and this maybe about 20 years, which is the truth. This is about 20 years. Okay, so now I'm going to put this color is going to go with the tablecloth. It's also going to go with these curtains. I had this in another corner and I took it and I'm putting it here. If we can find a hole. Okay, so I'm putting this here. I hope it's straight. So this corner, it takes up a life of its own. And okay, so now we're going to decorate this corner. So Emina is going to get that plant for me and fix the chairs. Emina is going to get that plant for me. And we're going to see how it looks in the corner here. As you can see, these are things that I had a long time. Once I had these in the kitchen, I moved them from the kitchen and I brought them out here now. The plant, I just wrapped it in a old curtain and to cover the pot. So it's there. And now you can move these. I'm going to just put this here. I don't know how it will look as yet, but I'm trying to see what is going to go. And you know, these are fall things. These are fall things, but I am from the islands, so we use these colors all the time. It doesn't matter if it's fall or whatever, as long as it's not Christmas things. And this is going to go with the things on the table. So I'm not going to put it on the table. I'm going to leave it here in the dining room area. This is a gift that I got from a young man, and I would never get rid of it. And I'm putting it in this corner. And it goes with this also, another earth color decoration. Okay. So now I can put this here. So it's sort of like that and this here. And this is something that my son-in-law brought for me. An egg from Africa. So I'm going to just put it in the middle here. Okay. So far, this. Okay, so now we're going to focus on that corner. So I'm going over to that corner. This was turned this way for the Christmas, and I think we should give it a little slant, but be very careful. A little slant. Just slant it instead of So there's a plant, artificial plant, and a pot here. And as you see, there's another cream color or off-white pot that goes with that one. And this has lights also, so you can put on a light. Add some more light to the dining room area if you have dinner guests. All of these things are things that my son-in-law brought for his daughter from Africa. So we display it. And the Christmas decoration stays in here all year round.
All of that stuff is from Tunisia, where my father is from.
Yes. So you can get this shot. And that corner. It's just things that I had in the house, and it's different parts, rooms in the house, and I've just take them up and change them around, a bowl here, a bowl there, and take things out of one cupboard and place it in another cupboard. So far, I hope that this looks good, and it's different, like someone is visiting. We can just change it up a little. So you could subscribe. Well, this is a finished product, and I hope that you all enjoyed it. Or I know that most of you do this all the time, but remember I said that these are things that are reasonable. Garage sale or Salvation Army, places like that.
It's very simple and sweet. My grandmother is always like teaching me how to do this stuff. We're always rearranging, making the house look fresh and nice. So we usually do this a lot, and it's very nice.
And some of the things.
And some of the things are from my father. He is from Tunisia, and he goes there once in a while and brings back some stuff. So this is hard.
So thank you.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my quiet corner.